Hi, this is Art with Raven, and today we are going to be making a snowman out of Play-Doh. And also you can make it out of clay. What you need white Play-Doh, red or orange Play-Doh, and black Play-Doh. You need toothpicks and a Play-Doh knife. So first off, you're going to use your white Play-Doh. We're going to get a bunch of it out. You're going to roll it into a ball. So let me do that. There we go. Rolled it into a big ball. And now, like you would usually do when you actually build a snowman, you'll get the balls to be smaller and smaller and smaller. Okay, I got my second ball. We just need one more. For the head. Now since you got that part, before you put them on, stab a toothpick. Keep doing it with the other ones too. Now your snowman won't fall. It might go like that, but just the pieces won't fall off. Okay. Now you're going to use your black Play-Doh. So you're all done with your white Play-Doh. So now you're going to need black. You're going to get small pieces of black. Then you're going to roll it up into a tiny ball. Then you're going to put it on for buttons. So it should look like that when you put the thing on. So then put how much buttons you want on it. And make sure they're tiny. I'm going to do 3 buttons. That's what we have so far. Now, we are going to get the other two things. You're going to use those as sticks for the hands. It should look like this. You can have... where the buttons go? Okay. Now, we can make the eyes. You'll do the same thing what you did with the buttons for the eyes. Now, you're going to carve the mouth with the knife. It should look like this. And now, get your red or orange Play-Doh or clay out, roll it up like this, keep doing it till it's small, like this. Now, you're going to make a carrot for the nose. This is what your carrot should look like. Then put the carrot on the nose. But if you need to, you can cut it shorter. This is what it should look like when you're done. Bye! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.